Hi, it's Mac. Welcome to the Mac Academy. Now, as of the previous lectures, I have made enough functions in the code for Jarvis to do most of my biddings. Now it's finally time to actually make this code an exe file, which means an executable file, which I can share with my friends without giving away my secret code. To make an executable file, first I have to install a library using terminal. The library I will be installing is pyinstaller. For this, I will type pip install pyinstaller. Pyinstaller has been installed. Now, if you remember, in the previous lectures, we used to import libraries in our code. But this is not the case with pyinstaller. It is required by us for converting the Python file into exe file. To actually convert Python file into an exe file, we will use terminal. First, I will go into the directory where my Python file is located using cd command, which actually means change directory. In my case, it is located on desktop. After changing my current working directory to desktop in the terminal, I will call pyinstaller library here. And at the end, I will write the name of my Python file. The most important thing here is that if I want to make a single executable file, a single exe file for my assistant, then I will have to type --1 file before writing the name of my Python file. Now I will just wait for the process to complete. Conversion has been completed. Now if I go to my desktop, I can see that there are two new folders here, dist and build, and one new file named jarvis.spec. Now for the exe file, I will open dist folder, and here it is, jarvis.exe. Let's see if it works or not properly.
Welcome back, Mac. The current time is 8 hours 16 minutes and 49 seconds. The current date is 21/8/2020. Good morning, sir.
Wikipedia, Joker.
Searching. According to Wikipedia, a joke is a display of humor in which words are used within a specific and well-defined narrative structure to make people laugh and is not meant to be taken seriously. It takes the form of a story, usually with dialogue, and ends in a punchline. It is in the punchline that the audience becomes aware that the story contains a second, conflicting meaning.
Jarvis, stop listening.
For how many seconds you want me to stop listening to your commands?
10.
Go offline.
Going offline, sir.
That's it from this video. I hope you learned something valuable from this course. If you do, then hit the like button, go through amazing content on my YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to keep yourself updated. Do ask your questions in the comment section if you have one. Also provide your suggestions on which topic I should make a course next. The only topic left in this course is that how to make GUI of Jarvis AI. Hopefully this topic will be covered in the next video of this series. Till next time, happy learning.